Toward the east, situation along the line of control is satisfactory and fairly peaceful. Mercifully, we have not seen any major incident along the line of control since last 1 year, which has brought great relief to the people living along both sides of the line of control. However, the recent incident involving Indian launching a supersonic cruise missile into Pakistan on 9th March 2022 is of serious concern. Unlike other incidents involving strategic weapons systems, this is the first time in history that a supersonic cruise missile from one nuclear-armed nation has landed in another. This raises serious concerns about India's ability to manage and operate high-end weapon systems, and equally concerning is India's indifferent attitude in not informing Pakistan immediately about an inadvertent launch of the missile. We hope the international community will realize that this incident could have resulted in loss of life in Pakistan or an accidental shooting down of a passenger plane that were flying along the path of the cruise missile. Pakistan has called for a thorough probe into the incident, and we expect India to provide evidence to ensure Pakistan and the world that their weapons are safe and secure.